Well, let me back him up first.
All right.
Come on, back. So he's a little
We're going to get this perfect action camera roll him.
I want to get him right up near here.
This guy's cheating. This guy's cheating. Look at how little that horse looks now with him uphill and the horse downhill. See that? How he's cheating? I'm impressed because his feet never moved till he's told to. That was pretty nice. We got the wacky, wavy, flailing arm guy here that's pretty scary to horses. I call it the Kraken. Release the Kraken. Scares the heck out of them. We're at Minnesota Horse Training Academy, 320-272-4199. This is Eric on his beautiful golden Palomino, which is out of all my breeding. I don't know where he went, but... You coming back, Eric? There he is. That's pretty scary to a horse. Beautiful horse. Gold. You talk about a golden Palomino. Everybody thinks Palominos. They think them yellows and washed out ones. Very few are this gold. He's absolutely gorgeous and got a really, really good temperament. That is one nice pony. He's young. I mean, he acts like a 12-year-old horse, but he's not. He's very young. That's training. That's all training. Wacky, wavy, flailing arm guy. How's that? Nice job, buddy.